Quick training video on how to use the change form. So you have a listing and you want to do a price change, or you have a listing and you need to extend the listing date because it's getting ready to expire. So what you're going to do is you're going to open up your file, and then you're going to go to libraries, and you see here that I've got multiple things going on because I'm in 2 states and a couple associations. But most of you will just have the South Carolina form and you'll have the Coastal Carolina forms. So if you don't have that there, you go down here and add additional associations and libraries, and you're going to add the Coastal Carolina Association Realtors. So you pop that sucker open and you see the change form with CCAR. You're going to hit add, you're going to hit next, and then you're going to fill that sucker out. So you'd put today's date here. Okay, and if you're doing a price change, you would enter that data here. You put the address of the property there. If you're changing the expiration date, you would change it to whatever that the agreed upon extension date is there. You're going to come down here, and everybody's going to sign. You have to sign, and the owner signs. You're going to prepare the signature, and you see I've got Sue Seller as the seller and Rick Knight as the listing agent or seller agent, and we're going to hit next. And then it's going to send out to everybody. Signature, send, and when everybody signs it, it'll go back in there, and you will then take that file from the the forms file, and you're going to add it to Skyslope, right? And you can just go in and then copy the email address, or you can download it and then upload it, however you want to do. I hope that helps you.